Our ebook is now ready to be uploaded to KDP. To do this, head to your KDP bookshelf, find the book on which you've been working, and click Continue Setup under Kindle eBook Actions. Since we've already filled out the Kindle eBook details, let's scroll down to the bottom of the page and click Save and Continue. At the top, you'll see the option to enable something called Digital Rights Management. By clicking Yes, you will prohibit readers from lending your book to other readers. Below, you'll see a yellow button saying Upload eBook Manuscript. Click this button and upload the Microsoft Word document you've put together. Next, you'll need to upload your book's cover, which we will need to save as a JPEG first. To do this, open up the Paint document we created in Part 2 of this series. If that document no longer exists, then open up the JPEG or PNG you saved earlier in Paint, select the front cover, and click Crop. Then save that image as a JPEG. Once the image is saved, go back to the Kindle eBook content page and upload it as your cover. Once your files have finished uploading, click the Launch Previewer button and make sure you are happy with the look and feel of your ebook. If there are no adjustments you would like to make, then click Book Details in the top left-hand corner to go back to the Kindle eBook content page. Finally, you have the option to add an ISBN and a publisher to your ebook. This step is optional, and I always skip it. When you're ready to move on to the next step, click Save and Continue. In the next video, we'll price our ebook and submit it for KDP's approval. See you there.